Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Saira Iqbal Khan, Lead Talent Acquisition and Management at Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements at University of Management and Technology, UMT, which under the vision of President UMT, Mr. Ibrahim Hassan Murad, has launched, high impact, iconic learning and development, engaging platform, with the name of Virtual Career Week 2021 on the theme of Chasing the Dream Career 2030. And the purpose of this career week, Virtual Career Week, is basically to help students, groom themselves and to prepare themselves, as marketable graduate to cope up all the challenges, to be a passionate productivity partner for the future world of work. Talking specifically about this career week definitely offers an engaging platform that has brought together best of the best and smartest gurus, professionals, speakers, employers from all walks of life. And there were a lot of activities that were planned in this career week, including the CV writing workshops, interviewing skills workshop, 30-second elevator pitch workshops, LinkedIn profiling, overseas education expos, panel discussions, and a lot of other grooming and orientation sessions for the future leaders. And the purpose of this career week was also to help students understand what are the emerging trends and challenges of the future world of work and what are the expectations of the industry from a fresh graduate. Furthermore, this career week also offers employers and corporate players to introduce their company and their brand to a diverse crowd of students who are not only going to be their future influencers and consumers, but also the future workforce, because UMT is a significant player in academic industry with 25,000 plus students, 20,000 plus alumni, 750 plus faculty members with 250 plus PhDs, and it has been ranked top 500 among the QS Asia ranking and 400 plus for the World of Societal Impact by Times Higher Education UK. Talking specifically about this day of April 9, 2021, this was the last day of career week, and this was planned as a launch pad whereby a lot of recruitment drives and induction sessions were planned for the students. And in today's session, Team Nestle will definitely be sharing, what kind of career opportunities are available at Nestle, and what kind of different programs Nestle has launched to groom the young generation and helping Nestle, to be a diverse and inclusive organization, which is already, a very diverse and inclusive organization. And we have been very aggressively engaged with Nestle Limited, Pakistan, at different levels. We have very detailed meetings with Samra, who is basically the lead of business strategy and innovation at Nestle, and also with Mr. Vakar, who is taking care of the corporate affairs and sustainability at Nestle. So before starting the session, I would like to give a brief introduction about the representative from Nestle who will be taking care of today's session, Ms. Fiza Ikram. Fiza, joined Nestle back in 2019. She has graduated from FAST Lahore, and she has done her graduation in business administration. She is now looking after recruitment at Nestle Pakistan for bringing in talent for nutrition, supply chain, technical, and shared services. And I would also like to give a brief introduction about the company to whom she is representing today, Nestle. So Nestle is the world's largest food and beverages company with a strong purpose of enhancing quality of life and contributing to a healthier future. Nestle has its headquarters based in the Swiss town of Vevey, with sales of CHF 84.3 billion in 2020. Nestle's portfolio covers almost every food and beverage category, offering products and services for all stages of life, every moment of the day, helping people care for themselves and their families. And today, Nestle employs around 273,000 people and have factories or operations in almost every country in the world. So, Fiza, the session is now handed over to you, and you can take it forward from there. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the introduction and for sharing brief about our company. So let me share my screen. Just let me know when you can see it. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so Before starting off the session, I want to introduce you guys to the talent acquisition team, which is responsible for bringing in talent to the organization and fitting in people with the best skills on the required position. So first of all, we have Amara Javed. She is the talent acquisition manager at Nestle Pakistan. After that, we have Ikra Khalik. She is the recruitment associate at Nestle Pakistan, and she's looking after the recruitment of supply chain and sales and marketing. And Fatima Said Bhatt, she is also the recruitment specialist. Me and I, Fatima and I, we share the same functions. So Ikra Khalik is also with us. I would like to ask Ikra to please introduce yourself and tell a brief introduction about you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. One second. Yes. Okay, so I'm back again. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. It's a pleasure to have this session with you all today. Thank you to the placement office team of UMT as well as our campus ambassador Anam for arranging this and the smooth coordination. So I hope you will have a great session today with Fiza, my colleague. So let me first introduce myself to you all. Like Fiza said, I look after the recruitment for marketing and sales for Pakistan market of Nestle Pakistan. And I joined back in 2018. I've done my graduation from LUMS, and then I started my first job at Nestle. So far, the journey has been amazing, and looking forward to have an interactive session with all of you. If you have any queries, if you want any career coaching guidance from all of us, we'll be taking your queries at the end. But for the timing, we'll be explaining you different job opportunities we have at Nestle.
Thank you so much, Ikra. Let me just go through the brief agenda which we will be covering today. I'll be explaining what is the hiring and selection process at Nestle Pakistan, what are the career opportunities that we have for youth, and what are the initiatives that we are taking and what are the programs that we have in Nestle Pakistan to make it a diverse and inclusive organization. Then I'll be sharing with you the yearly calendar of various job opportunities which we have at Nestle Pakistan. And last but not the least, I'll be sharing with you what you can do better to prepare yourself for the corporate world. At the end of the session, we'll be taking question and answers, and we'll try to build some barriers, and we'll try to address the questions you have and some of the myths that you have about the hiring process at Nestle Pakistan. So the hiring process, we have this website. You can take the screenshot as well, that you can go to our website, and all of the positions, whether they are lateral position or our upcoming programs, they are being posted on our website. This is the link of our official website. You can follow it, and you can turn on the notification as well, so that whenever we have any position posted, you will be notified on regular basis. Whenever we have any position, we post it, and then we have applicants, and then we go to the pre-screening stage. In the pre-screening stage, we actually call the candidates, and for different programs we have test sessions which we send to the candidates who have applied for that specific program or position. And then they go through the test, and after the pre-screening, the shortlisted candidates will be interviewed by the line manager, the hiring manager. Interview round may vary from the line manager to line manager, and sometimes it vary around 2 to 3 rounds. And then there is the final selection criteria, the selection process which happens. Different career opportunities at Nestle. So we have different career opportunities in various functions at Nestle. So we have different positions. might come across medical delegate or nutrition specialist role, which are constantly being posted on our website and our LinkedIn as well. Then we have food technology in HR department, in supply chain, technical, digital, marketing, research, IT, shared services, and in sales as well, because turnover rate is very high in sales, and we are constantly posting a position in different regions of Pakistan. So you can apply and you can follow our website as well, and you can see these positions on our LinkedIn page as well. Different job opportunities and initiatives. We are hiring on different levels. So there is lateral hiring, which is for experienced professionals. Any position that comes up, which requires certain level of experience and skills and expertise, they fall under the lateral hiring position. After that, we have certain youth initiatives, which includes the internship program, management trainee program, campus ambassador, to basically give exposure to the students and to the fresh graduates that how corporate environment actually works. Then I will also brief in the later presentation that what are the timelines and when we are rolling out the application for these programs. After that, as you know, that Nestle is a diverse and inclusive organization. So what are the diversity initiatives that we take to make it happen? So we have Karo Etemad, which is 1-year traineeship program for females. In this program, we actually train females for that specific function, and then we place them on permanent roles and make them a very good resource for our talent pipeline. After that, we have Phir Se Kar Dikhao, which is a returnship program for females who are on a career break for 2 or more years due to any reason, due to marriage, due to kids, due to a career break maybe. And then we hire them on a traineeship program, same as in we do in the Karo Etemad, but these are the experienced resources who have took a career break. After that, we have Hai Tum Pe Yakeen program. This is a program especially designed for our differently abled community who do not get the exposure of working in a corporate sector. In this program, we actually give them 1-year traineeship to these people, and then we train them in their placed function and make them, skilled for permanent roles in future. Coming to youth initiatives, and I'll go through them. I'll go in detail about these programs. So management trainee program applications are open now. They are live now. You can go and apply today. Management trainee program is basically it's a career opportunity for you, for fresh graduates to actually work at the world's largest food and beverage company with more than 2,000 brands and present in 189 countries around the world. We have for management trainee programs, we have multiple mentoring and coaching opportunities from leaders at Nestle. The first 2 years are consisting of rigorous orientation program, the real-time business projects and functional training. In the first year, we rotate them in different functions and give them exposure of how the organization overall work. And after, in the second year, they've been placed in their parent function, which they opt for. So it's a diverse exposure to various functions and businesses at Nestle. So the eligibility criteria for management trainee program is basically a fresh grad with the minimum 2.5 CGPA. The functions in which we place management trainees in are marketing, sales, human resources, supply chain, technical, finance, and field operations, which is nutrition function. After that comes Nesternship. We will be rolling out application for Nesternship program in the first week of May. This is a paid internship opportunity for students who are still enrolled, and they want to know the career, they want to explore career opportunities. By the time they graduate, they know that what organization they have to go in and what function they have to select, because this is just to give them a exposure of how corporate functions actually work. This actually helps them in building connections and knowing about corporate culture more. The duration of this internship program will be 2 to 3 months based on the requirement of the project they've been placed in, and the eligibility criteria is the graduating students. we hire them in all functions at Nestle. So this is a very good opportunity for fresh graduates even, and also for the students who are already enrolled in the universities, to get exposure of corporate and that how they actually work and how they actually function. After that, we have a campus ambassador. This is a very good initiative by Nestle for students who are currently studying at universities, who are students. So we have a campus ambassador from UMT as well, Anam. She also coordinated in this session in making this virtual career fair possible. So this is actually an opportunity for students to actually who volunteers representing Nestle in their universities. So what our campus ambassadors do? So they spread on-campus awareness about our Nestle career opportunities for youth within their university and online community through their social media and various social groups and social gatherings. Through this, we can reach out to maximum youth and social media platforms, and they can message and through the through Instagram, through WhatsApp and Snapchat, etc. They can share the post in their circle as well through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. So this lead out of the box activities. This lead to out of the box activities between for specific recruitment and youth related campaigns agreed with Nestle mentors. So we currently have 39 campus ambassadors currently engaging from 14 cities across the country, and they've been really making things easier for us, making it possible and increasing our reach to the youth, so that it's also beneficial for students as well. So that because in this COVID times, this is very difficult to go on campuses and educate. It's also risky as well. So that's why we hire campus ambassadors. We actually enroll campus ambassador, and we connect with them, and they share different career opportunities which are currently available at Nestle in their circle. After that, what are the diversity and inclusion initiatives that Nestle take? First of all, this is Karo Etemad. The applications are being closed, but you can apply in the next year if you want. So Karo Etemad is basically, we target females who have different, who do not know what career opportunity they want to go in. So for example, in sales, there is a high stigma attached that females cannot do sales. So through this program, we can motivate maximum females to come in sales and explore their self and see the skills they do not believe that they have in them, and make it possible for them to make a good career in sales, in engineering, in nutrition, in supply chain, etc. So the process of this program is also the online application, and then we have the online test, and then interviews and assessment center, and then finally the selection process. The program Phir Se Kar Dikhao is, as I already explained, is for the females who are on a career break for 2 or more years. This is actually a chance to get back to work, to get back, if they have any, if they left their job because of any reason, because of their marriage, because of their children, because they need a break from their career, they can go back to the organization and join back like again. We believe in you. Inclusion initiative taken by Nestle to give them exposure of different functions that we have at Nestle, to give them corporate exposure, that how corporate functions actually work, corporate organization actually work. We have hired a batch of 16 different level people in 2020, and many of them are on permanent roles right now with us. So the process of this program is the same. We have application process, and then we have online assessment. Then we go with the hiring process. These are our social media handles. that you can follow this page and Instagram page. You can follow this and you can take screenshot as well if you want. Just follow them so that you can be updated with the upcoming program or lateral position or whatever. If you are alumni, you can seek the lateral position that are being posted on our website, and the latest update on what is happening career-wise at Nestle and what are the programs that we have launched. So you can follow these social media handles. Last but not least, what you can do to better prepare yourself for corporate world. So apply actively and prepare. So create profile on Nestle's corporate website. This will help you to constantly monitor what skill set do you have which goes with the specific position, and you will be notified on a regular basis. Check the job notification regularly. Update your LinkedIn profile, because we are also constantly and we are actively recruiting through LinkedIn. So make sure your profile is updated with your information. Always see the job description before applying and modify your CV accordingly. So sometimes it happens that that fresh graduates apply on each and every position because they do not have the specific requirement or specific experience of that function. Just make sure just to go through the JSP, the job description, and modify your CV a little bit as per the job requirement. It will actually give a recruiter a very good impression of yourself, that you have actually prepared beforehand for the interview, even if you do not have the experience for that. Whenever appearing for the interview, do your research about the company, that when was the company built, what actually it deals in, what sector it actually is in, what industry it is. Also engage in volunteering projects and internships. Do mention in your resume that what voluntary projects and internships you have done in the past, and try to give a brief description about those projects. Upskill yourself means you have to constantly build yourself, build your skills, do certain certifications, read articles, do certain, because in this over time we have so many opportunities out there. We have so many courses happening online to polish our skills and to be updated, and to gauge maximum opportunities, and enhance are assess in interview. So our interview processes and interview criteria is understand. So we whenever we have any profile and we are screening them for a specific role, we actually go through the background of that individual, that individual have particular experience in that area or not. They have the technical skills to do the job and to get the work done or not. We have some behavioral assessment and behavioral attributes that they should be present in that individual to suit that position. We see the mental ability and learning agility of that person. If the person is agile enough to grab a certain knowledge and information and digest it and provide that with the required results or not. If the person has the potential to perform a job more efficiently and effectively, and if that person is motivated enough for that role or not. So this is our interview criteria. We do not just go with if the person have a certain level of experience for that position or not. These all are the ingredients that combine together and make your profile more, if you lack in any one of these, you can outperform the rest. So it's totally on you. You are motivated or not, you have the required skill set or not, you have the potential or not, if you are motivated enough or not to learn and to be more flexible and agile in different ways. So these are these are the things that totally depends on you, that how you actually compose yourself and how you perform in the interview. So this is it from my side, the presentation. If you have any questions, you can ask. This is your turn now. You can unmute yourself and you can ask questions, and we are here to answer.
Thank you so much, Fiza. But before taking the questions, I would like to address some queries that are mentioned in the chat. So I've noted some general queries about our different career opportunities. So let me first address those questions, and then we can take the live questions. So basically, आप लोग काफी internships और बाकी opportunities के regarding पूछ रहे हो. So उसके मैं आपको respond कर देती हूँ. So this will, help a lot of you are asking and writing in the chat box. So internship का पूछा हुआ है आप लोगों ने. If it's a फुल टाइम या फिर क्या उसका है हिसाब. सो इंटर्नशिप जो होती है हमारी फॉर दिस ईयर वी विल बी हैविंग इट वर्चुअली 2 to 3 months की प्रोजेक्ट की ड्यूरेशन होती है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द नीड ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, क्या है उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड उसका कौन से फंक्शन के अंदर है. ठीक है, रिक्वायरमेंट की बेसिस पे होता है. इट्स अ पेड अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द पेंडेमिक लास्ट ईयर भी हमने वर्चुअल की थी अपनी सब इंटर्नशिप्स, और इस साल भी हम लोग अपनी इंटर्नशिप वर्चुअली ही कर रहे होंगे. सो द एप्लीकेशन विल बी लाइव in May. So hopefully first week of May हम लोग applications अपनी launch करे होंगे for internship. And someone who has asked if the opportunity for internship is converted to full-time job or not. So it all depends on your performance and again on the vacancy if it's available or not. So internship जो होती है एक बहुत अच्छी opportunity होती है to learn, and आप उस function के अंदर रह के you would get to know about the day-to-day operations of that function. If in case आप sales के अंदर हो तो you will get to learn a lot about sales. This will eventually help you out. अगर आप किसी permanent job opportunity के लिए aspire कर रहे हो, उसके लिए आपने interview दिया है, so your internship experience will help you a lot. But we cannot promise you, and we never promise that your internship will be converted to a full-time job opportunity. So this is about internship. Campus ambassadors के हवाले से someone has asked कि वो कब होते हैं. So September के अंदर generally we take the applications for campus ambassador program. It's not a paid opportunity. ये voluntary basis के ऊपर students करते हैं participate, and what students gain out of it. So basically आप जब नेस्ले के एक representative बनते हो in your university, आपको नेस्ले के बारे में काफी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन और काफी सारी चीजों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी बेहतर हो जाती है. सेकेंडली आप हम वी डू दी करियर कोचिंग सेशंस फॉर और कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स, और उनकी डिफरेंट उनके स्किल्स को उनको अपस्किल करने के लिए उनकी लाइक CV बिल्डिंग टेक्निक्स, हाउ टू ब्रांड योरसेल्फ. वी कंडक्ट सच सेशंस फॉर और कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. So ये उनके लिए इसके अंदर बेनिफिट है. एंड अगेन इफ यू आर एसोसिएटेड विद नेस्ले इन वन वे और अनदर, आपको इवेंचुअली दिस विल हेल्प यू आउट एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम. एंड लेट मी गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. हमारे पास सखर के अंदर द कैंपस एम्बेसडर हु वी हैड, वी गॉट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, फुल टाइम opportunity with Nestle in Sakhar. So we considered her, and eventually she was selected. अगेन क्राइटेरिया की बेसिस के ऊपर, मेरिट के बेसिस पे ही हम सिलेक्शन करते हैं. बट जब आप नेस्ले के साथ किसी भी तरीके से एसोसिएटेड होते हो, बी इट योर इंटर्नशिप, योर कैंपस एम्बेसडर, तो वो आपको इवेंचुअली हेल्प आउट जरूर करता है. सो MT प्रोग्राम के बारे में पूछा हुआ है. सो उसका क्या है? सो द एप्लीकेशंस विल बी लाइव टुडे. सो वी आर जस्ट अबाउट टू लॉन्च आवर एप्लीकेशंस. आप यू विल गेट द एप्लीकेशन लिंक बाय डे एंड इंशाल्लाह. एंड जो हमारा फेसबुक का करियर पेज है, मेक श्योर आप उसको फॉलो करो एंड रेगुलरली चेक ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस, ऑल और positions and or especially the initiatives, the specialized initiatives that we have. We advertise everything on our Facebook career page. So आपने उसको जरूर लाइक करना है. And by day end hopefully you will get the application link for management trainee program. And अभी भी काफ़ी questions आ रहे हैं. So the management trainee program only for graduates, Rameen? Yes, this is only for graduates. It's a full-time permanent job opportunity. So you cannot side by side study in your university और साथ में आप job नहीं कर सकते. That's why this is a full-time permanent job opportunity and only for people who have graduated. But जो अभी इस साल graduates हो रहे हैं, we are taking those. Obviously you will be free by next 2-3 months. That's why आप we are also taking applications from the people who are graduating this year. And किस functions के अंदर हैं, so you will get all the details in the application form and also in the post that we'll be posting on Facebook. And बाकी करो एतमाद का पूछ रहे हैं कि will it be going to be virtual? So no, करो एतमाद वाला program since again full time opportunity है, हमारी traineeship program है for 1 year contract, but it will be it will not be like 100% virtual. अभी भी हमारी जो current working arrangements है, हम partially we are working from home and we are also working from office. That's why we cannot say if it will be entirely virtual या ऑफिस आपको उसके लिए आना पड़ेगा. सो ये अभी मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस ले लिए हैं. एंड इंटर्नशिप का पूछें कौन से फंक्शंस के अंदर हैं. सो इंटर्नशिप हमारी ऑलमोस्ट सभी फंक्शंस में होती है, बट अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नीड कि कुछ फंक्शन के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट की नीड है. सो जस्ट आप उसके लिए अपनी प्रेफरेंस शेयर कर देना जब आपकी एप्लीकेशन लिंक ओपन होगी. Right, and so I think I've taken most of the queries. Mahnoor has written, I have applied for Karo Etamad program as marketing and sales, but I missed the virtual session for that. Is it necessary to attend the virtual session also? No. Mahnoor, the virtual session that we did, Ek Din Nestle Ke Saath, that was a separate initiative that we have. It's not linked to Karo Etamad. So it's not mandatory to attend a virtual session to participate in that. So if you have applied and if you are shortlisted, then you will be getting notification about the next steps soon enough. And Muhammad Ahmed has asked, do you guys have some tests to assess the candidates in the interviews? The attributes you just talked about in the last slide, or the manager assesses those attributes by himself? If yes, then can you please name them, and so we can prepare better for the interview? So that's a very good question, Ahmed. हम interviews, it depends कि हमारे पास कौन सी job opportunity है, उसकी basis पे हम लोग test conduct कर रहे होते हैं. So for interviews in general position जो हमारी lateral hiring पे हो रही होती है, उसके ऊपर हम लोग ऐसा कोई आपकी cognitive behavioral assessment नहीं होती. It varies on the need of the job. अगर उसके हो तो हम उसके लिए test भेजते हैं, but most of the times for lateral positions we only have the interview process and the pre-screening process. And do you also assess the candidate? Yes, the recruiters also assess the candidates. So what's the process, hiring process is, like Fiza said, हमारे पास hiring की applications launch होती हैं. When you apply, then we do the pre-screening. So the pre-screening bit, this is done by the recruiter, जिसमें मैं हूँ, Fiza है, Fatma है. So we do the initial checks कि आपके are you eligible for the position or not. हम आप resumes को go through करते हैं, then we shortlist on the basis of the criteria. And then in the interview is mainly conducted by the line manager of that position, like जो भी आपकी position है, जिसको वो report कर रही हुई है, that person along with the HR business partner of that specific function, उनके साथ आपका panel interview होता है. And how you can better prepare yourself for the interview. So उसके ऊपर भी हमारे पास, जिस तरह फिजा explained, there are certain things that we assess in the interview. जो basic tips हम आपको fresh graduates, since most of you are going to be graduated soon, या आप अभी alumni हो, recent graduates हो, तो just a couple of tips that again I would like to share to prepare to how you can better prepare yourself for the interview. So पहली चीज ये होती है कि you should always do research about the company. Whenever you apply for any position, you should know कि उस company का क्या background है, and अगर आपको interview के लिए call आ रही है, make sure that you prepare well for the interview. So it's very important, and it's a very kind of put off in the interview when we ask what are different just quoting an example, what are different products and brands we have at Nestle, and if you cannot pick one brand that we have, या आप किसी और company का say, you say like आपका Lay's आप बेचते हो, so obviously this would not give a good opportunity कि company करती क्या, उसकी company, what are the different products, brands of that company, हमारी क्या direction, global direction क्या जा रही है, what are the different initiatives that we are working on. So make sure कि ये आप एक अपना check कर लो, because in most of the interview this question is asked, like 90% of the time this question is asked to all the candidates. Secondly, आप जो job description है उसको अच्छे से go through करो, and मेक श्योर आप उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपनी प्रोफाइल को बिल्ड करो. सो अगर आप किसी सेल्स की जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, मैं सेल्स के रिक्रूटर, सो ज़्यादातर एग्जांपल्स आपको सेल्स की ही मिलेंगी. एनी हाउ सेल्स के केस में अगर आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो पोजीशन के ऊपर, सो आप आपको जो रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस है उसको हाईलाइट करो. सो आपको अपने इंटरव्यूअर की साइकी को समझना है कि व्हाट आंसर ही और शी इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू. उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप अपना रिस्पॉन्स उसके अकॉर्डिंगली दो. Just take your time to clear your thought process. उसके accordingly अच्छे से आप question को answer करो and be very confident and be very passionate about that position, या जो भी आप उसके लिए apply करो. It would not look like कि आप उसके लिए interested नहीं हो. ठीक है? So be very energetic and passionate about that role that you are aspiring for, and also about the company that you want to join. तो ये मैंने आपको कुछ टिप्स दे दी अबाउट द इंटरव्यू. दिस वुड हेल्प यू क्योंकि अभी आप
we also have one query that referral works and help in the hiring process or not. So can you please address that too?
Yes, sure. Again, a very good question. Thank you for asking that. So referrals की अगर जहाँ तक हम बात करें, so referrals is one of our sourcing channels जो हम लोग utilize कर रहे होते हैं in building our pool for any position जितनी भी हमारे पास applications आ रही होती हैं. So but again अगर कोई आप किसी ने refer किया किसी को and कोई किसी और channel के through apply कर रहा है, we will evaluate each and every candidate on same criteria regardless कि उसका वो किस चैनल के थ्रू हमारे पास उसकी प्रोफाइल आई है. अगर कोई रेफरल भी है या अगर कोई फॉर एग्जांपल किसी भी और चैनल से अप्लाई कर रहा है, लाइक आपने अगर सक्सेस फैक्टर जो हमारा एक टूल है, आप जो करियर वेबसाइट के ऊपर हमारी पोजीशन पोस्ट होती है इसके थ्रू आपने वहां से अप्लाई किया, आपका कोई लिंक नहीं है नेस्ले के साथ, वी विल इवेल्युएट योर प्रोफाइल इन द सेम मैनर दैट वी विल इवेल्युएट फॉर एनी रेफरल जो भी हमारे पास आएगा. ठीक है? सो ऑब्वियसली रेफरल डज नॉट वर्क एट ऑल इन नेस्ले and we always shortlist and finalize candidates on the basis of merit. Okay, so ये एक myth है. I would like to break that कि कोई referral scene नहीं चलता नेस्ले में.
Yeah, so there's another question that engineering field is open to apply or not. So yeah, we have different opportunities coming up on our website for engineering program. But this is asked by Shumail Malik. So yeah, Shumail, we have different job opportunities regarding our engineering, our plant-based positions in supply chain. They're all constantly being posted on our website. You can follow the social media handles that I've shared, and you can go through the link as well, in which we are constantly posting the upcoming position or the lateral or vacant vacancies.
And अभी हम कुछ live questions ले लें फिजा. Like we have.
Yeah, so there's one question that I really want you to address. There's a question that can final semester students can also apply for management training program.
जी बिल्कुल, फाइनल सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो अगेन लाइक आई सेड, जो मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी प्रोग्राम है हमारा, इट इज़ वी आर टेकिंग एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर ग्रेजुएटिंग दिस ईयर. अगर आप फाइनल सेमेस्टर में हो सो होपफुली आप जून तक मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ग्रेजुएट हो जाओगे. बट अगेन आपकी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए जब जिस पॉइंट पे आपकी हायरिंग हो रही होगी. सो इन अगस्त सितंबर वी विल बी ऑन बोर्डिंग और मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग बैच. सो बाय दैट टाइम योर study should be completed. You can apply for management training program if you are in your last semester.
Also, second semester students can also apply for internship.
हाँ जी, इंटर्नशिप के लिए हमारी आप बेशक किसी भी सेमेस्टर में हो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इवन इफ यू आर इन योर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, कभी भी किसी भी सेमेस्टर में हो, यूनिवर्सिटी में हो, यू कैन ऑलवेज अप्लाई फॉर योर इंटर्नशिप. अच्छा, सो इंटर्नशिप की कौन सी फंक्शंस के अंदर हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी होंगे? सो वी कैन नॉट कमेंट ऑन दैट एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम बिकॉज वी आर राइट नाउ वी आर टेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. सो वी विल बी हैविंग इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन मोस्ट ऑफ द फंक्शंस, बट स्पेसिफाई करना विल नॉट बी द राइट we cannot specify that at this point, but again you can apply. और अगर आप किसी specific function के लिए क्वालिफाई कर रहे हो, यू कैन ऑलवेज गिव योर प्रेफरेंस, और कोई सेकंड प्रेफरेंस के अंदर यू कैन ऑल्सो वर्क इन सम अदर फंक्शन टू एक्सप्लोर. अगर उस फंक्शन के अंदर आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, सो देयर इज नो हार्म इन एक्सप्लोरिंग अदर फंक्शंस ऑल्सो. अगर आपका CS का बैकग्राउंड है, यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई फॉर मार्केटिंग या सप्लाई चेन के अंदर, फाइनेंस के अंदर. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, योर सेकंड प्रेफरेंस, यू कैन ऑलवेज अप्लाई फॉर दैट ऑल्सो.
So there is a question as well that for sales experience is required for 5 years. So let me just break this myth as well. If there is a certain level of experience required, if the experience that is needed is 5 or 6 years, and if you have 4 years or 2 years of experience, you can still apply, because we are also hiring on potential basis. We also see that what are the learning agilities of the applicant or the candidate. Also, when the recruitment process will start for Karo Etemad program, so application for 2021 are closed. So you can apply next year when the applications will be roll out for 2022. Work from home opportunity, if there is any. So currently, due to COVID situation, we are working from home. We are working alternatively on alternative weeks, with 1 week from work from home and 1 week from office. So, but this will inshallah end as soon as this corona situation will get resolved. So now we can also take some live questions. You can raise your hand and we can ask you to chat with us, or any career opportunity or career advice you want. So Ahmed Muaz, your hand is raised. You can ask the question. You can unmute yourself and ask.
Assalamu alaikum. My question is that कि ये जो MT प्रोग्राम की एप्लीकेशंस हैं 2021 के लिए, वो कब से ओपन हो रही हैं?
From today.
ठीक है, yes, आपको by day end you will be getting the application link. आप हमारे जो Facebook का career page है उसको follow कर लो. So we are in the process of launching our application for management trainee. So hopefully inshallah by day end you will get the application link.
Okay.
Shumail Malik.
Sure, go on. कि अगर किसी ने इंटर्नशिप की हुई है नेस्ले में, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है उसका, तो वो उसको कोई इसका बेनिफिट होगा एमटी प्रोग्राम में?
जी मॉज, बेसिकली बेनिफिट इस सेंस में, अगर आप कहो कि अगर आपने इंटर्नशिप की थी उसमें आपको नेस्ले के ऑपरेशंस के बारे में पता चला, जिस फंक्शन में आपने इंटर्नशिप की थी, यू गॉट बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट फंक्शंस, ऑब्वियसली दैट वुड हेल्प यू आउट. बट अगर आप उस सेंस में कहो कि हम प्रेफर करेंगे कि अगर किसी कैंडिडेट ने इंटर्नशिप की है नेस्ले के साथ, हम उसको प्रेफरेंस दें, दैट वुड नॉट हैपन. हम लोग मेरिट के ऊपर हर कैंडिडेट को इवेलुएट करते हैं. अपनी हर पोजीशन के लिए मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग के अंदर भी सेम प्रोसीजर है. सो अगर आप उसको यूटिलाइज करना चाह रहे हो अपने इंटर्नशिप के एक्सपीरियंस को, दैट डिपेंड्स ओनली ऑन यू कि आप उसको कैसे करते हो, उस एक्सपीरियंस को यूज कैसे करते हो, और उसको अपने इंटरव्यू के अंदर अपना एक्सपीरियंस जो आपने शेयर किया है उसको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हो. ठीक है, सो उसको लीवरेज करना दैट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड बाकी जो हम जो क्राइटेरिया उसके बेसिस के ऊपर ही हर कैंडिडेट की वैल्यूएशन होती है. I hope we have responded your question. Let's give opportunity to some other people also. We have just 10 minutes left, so let's try taking as many questions as we can, and then inshallah we'll be having more such sessions with you guys in future. So if there's anything that we are unable to address at this point, we will try our best to address your queries. Okay, so I think Mahnoor का काफी देर से hand raise है. Mahnoor से question ले लेते हैं.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, Noor.
Ma'am, actually, I just want to ask. I have already applied for that program, Karo Etemad. तो मैं पूछना चाह रही थी कि when the recruitment process will start, like कब process start होगा, कब हमें उसके बारे में हमें career page से ही informations मिलेंगी कि process start हो गया या interview?
अच्छा, so महनूर, अगर आपने अप्लाई किया तो उसके लिए आपकी एप्लीकेशन हमारे पास ऑब्वियसली आ गई होगी. इफ यू enter all your details correctly. And like Fiza said, हमने अपनी application अब close करी है, so we are in the next step जो कि हमारा pre-screening और shortlisting का है. So we are shortlisting candidates. हमारा जो criteria उसकी basis के ऊपर the next step will be that you will get online assessment. So आपकी online test होगा your behavioral and cognitive ability. Once that is done, then we'll be having interviews and then we'll have final selection. But in case you are not shortlisted, कोई भी candidate ऐसा है जिसको हम लोग किसी की स्टेज पे नेक्स्ट स्टेज पे मूव नहीं करे, we will be notifying that candidates and all the applicants also. Okay, so just stay tuned. आपको इंशाल्लाह email आ जाएगी if you are selected, if you are shortlisted for the next stage. Okay, वजाहत जी आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Ma'am, I have got two questions. Number one, what is the selection criteria for internships? And the second is, can someone apply for the MTO and internship at the same time?
Yes, okay, so वजाहत ऐसा कोई इस तरह की नहीं है. आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन पहले एड्रेस कर रही हूँ कि एक टाइम पे आप डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम डिफरेंट इनिशिएटिव्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो कि नहीं. सो दैट यू कैन डू. अगर आप दोनों प्रोग्राम्स के लिए एलिजिबल हो, आप दोनों के लिए बेशक अप्लाई कर लो, इंटर्नशिप के लिए भी और मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग के लिए. मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग के लिए हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट योर एजुकेशन शुड बी कंप्लीटेड बाय अगस्त तक आपकी कंप्लीट. अगर आप अपने फाइनल सेमेस्टर में हो या अगर आप रिसेंट ग्रेजुएट हो, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. और इंटर्नशिप के लिए हमारा ऐसा कोई ये वाला क्राइटेरिया, इफ यू आर स्टिल स्टडिंग यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई. सो इफ यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर बोथ द प्रोग्राम्स यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर बोथ. और आपका पहला क्वेश्चन था अबाउट द सिलेक्शन and evaluation criteria हमारा क्या होता है for internship. So internship के लिए we will be sending you the application link. So we'll get the application, then we'll have the online assessment जो कि हमारा cognitive और behavioral ability test होता है. So the top scorers will be selected for the internship. So we will have like some interviews also if needed, and then we will be giving you the internship opportunity. Thank you so much for your question, Wajahat. Next we have Shazib.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that will you consider any candidate if one is engineering graduate and want to apply for MT program, which is out of engineering domain? Ma'am, because
yes,
most of the recruiter asked to apply against the specified job title, as you mentioned earlier, that if you are an engineering graduate.
ठीक है. सो शाहजेब, जो हमारा मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है उसके अंदर हमारे पास डिफरेंट फंक्शंस के अंदर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है. सो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी वी हैव अ फंक्शन जिसको हम लोग अपनी इंटरनल लैंग्वेज के अंदर टेक्निकल फंक्शन कहते हैं. टेक्निकल फंक्शन हमारा जो फैक्ट्रीज ऑपरेशंस का होता है वो होता है. ठीक है. उसके अंदर हमारे पास जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं इन शेखुपुरा, इन कबीरवाला, इन पोर्ट कासिम, इन इस्लामाबाद. तो यहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज के अंदर ऑब्वियसली इंजीनियरिंग रिलेटेड जॉब्स होती हैं. एंड देन सप्लाई चेन के अंदर भी ऑल्सो टेक इंजीनियर्स. सो अगर आपकी वो स्पेशलाइजेशन है देन यू कैन फॉर श्योर अप्लाई फॉर मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. उसके अंदर यू कैन सिलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड फंक्शन, टेक्निकल या इंजीनियरिंग, जो भी उसके अंदर रेलिवेंट आपको एप्लीकेशन के अंदर क्वेश्चन के अंदर फील्ड होगी, एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. जो मैं कह रही थी कि आप स्पेसिफिक पोजिशन के लिए अप्लाई करें. सो इट डजंट मैटर कि आपकी क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन है, क्या डिग्री है. इट डिपेंड्स कि आप किस चीज़ के लिए एस्पायर करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ योर पैशन. आप यू शुड ऑलवेज गो बाय योर पैशन. अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग में हो एंड आप किसी और लाइक HR के लिए एस्पायर कर रहे हो, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज अप्लाई फॉर HR, बट ऑलवेज डेवलप योर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर दैट रोल. अगर जो कॉम्पिटेंसी चाहिए HR के रोल के लिए वो आपके अंदर नहीं है, देन यू नो इट द चांसेस ऑफ यू बीइंग सक्सेसफुल फॉर दैट रोल विल बी वेरी लेस. सो ऑलवेज डेवलप योर सेल्फ एंड देयर इज नो लिमिट कि आप एक इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से हो तो आप किसी और फंक्शन के लिए अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन आवर HR. फॉर इंस्टेंस हमारे जो हेड ऑफ HR हैं, ही इज एन इंजीनियर. हमारे पास देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल जो कि इंजीनियर्स हैं, दे आर वर्किंग इन HR. ओके, सो इट डजंट रियली यू नो प्रोहिबिट यू और यू नो आपको रोकता है कि आप किसी स्पेसिफिक ही फंक्शन के लिए अप्लाई करो. Thank you so much, Shahzeb, for your question. So Hema ka hand raise hai काफी time से. We can take that question, and we have just 3 more minutes left. Apologies for not being able to address all the questions. I would love to, hear from you आपकी जो भी career coaching related queries है, but obviously time का constraint होता है. जी, so Hema, and then we will take last question.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम,
मेरी
आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रही है.
Yes ma'am, basically I am doing data science, MS data science. So basically data science के जो students हैं वो apply कर सकते हैं. Basically I have no experience background, but I want to apply for internship in data science. अगर कोई opportunity है data science में नेस्ले में.
सो डेटा साइंस रिलेटेड कोई स्पेसिफिक आपको शायद एप्लीकेशन के अंदर वो फंक्शन ना मिले या वो फंक्शनल एरिया आपको ना मिले जिसमें हम डेटा साइंस रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट के लिए देख रहे हैं इंटर्न. बट अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्किल सेट ऑल्सो. इंटर्नशिप के अंदर कोई ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ नहीं होती कि आपका एक स्पेसिफिक बैकग्राउंड हो. तो आपको जो भी आपसे रेलिवेंट लगती है फील्ड या आपको लगता है कि मैं इसके लिए बेहतर काम कर सकती हूँ, कैन ऑलवेज अप्लाई फॉर दैट. बट कोई और जॉब परमानेंट जॉब पोजीशन आए जो डेटा एनालिसिस से रिलेटेड हो या डेटा साइंस से रिलेटेड हो तो आप उसके लिए जरूर अप्लाई कर सकते हो. पर फॉर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर इंटर्नशिप यू कैन गो बाय योर जो आपकी बेस्ट आपको लग रही हो आपसे रेलिवेंट एरिया.
सॉरी मैम, यहाँ पे डेटा साइंस की अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही है नेस्ले में? अभी ओपन है जॉब्स डेटा साइंस और डेटा एनालिसिस के?
So Hema, I would encourage you to visit our career website. All our positions are posted on our career website. So अभी currently जितनी भी positions हैं सारी हमारी उधर open है. You can click on the job और उसके ऊपर जो job description you will get an idea कि ये position की क्या requirements. So if you feel like this is relevant for you और आपका जो skill set है उसको उसके according है तो फिर आप जरूर उसके लिए apply करना. So just visit our career website today.
Okay,
so
you so much,
I will take just last question now from Abira. Okay, Ariba. Yes, Ariba.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम मैम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
मैम मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे जो है ना वो करो एतमाद प्रोग्राम की तरफ से मेल आई है दैट यू आर सिलेक्टेड और उन्होंने मुझे जो है वो असेसमेंट के लिए कहा है कि आप बिहेवियर असेसमेंट है. तो मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि उसमें किस तरह के क्वेश्चन जो है पूछे जाएंगे बिहेवियर असेसमेंट में?
अच्छा, सो अरीबा सॉरी, बिहेवियर असेसमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ से मैं आपको यही कहूँगी कि जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ. जो क्वेश्चंस आपको आ रहे हैं तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंगली जो आपको लगता है आपकी पर्सनालिटी है, जो आपकी ट्रेट्स हैं, पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली जो आपको क्वेश्चन के अगेंस्ट ठीक लगता है आप उसको असेस करो. देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग आंसर फॉर एनी बिहेवियरल असेसमेंट. वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सी के आपके व्हाट आर द योर व्हाट आर द बिहेवियर्स दैट यू हैव, और जो भी आपको उसके अंदर लगता है कि ये आपके साथ सबसे ज्यादा आपसे रेलेवेंट है और आपके पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स को कैटर कर रही होती है, उसको आप सिलेक्ट करो. सो देयर इज नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग आंसर अगेन. सो आप उसके लिए कर सकते हो फिल. ठीक है.
I think this is it. We can close the session now. If you have any questions, you can connect with our campus ambassador, Anam. She'll route those questions to us. It was really a good session. I would like to thank the career placement office of UMT and our campus ambassador for arranging this amazing informative session for students as well, and for also making awareness about our programs and career opportunities. So thank you so much everyone for attending this session.
Thank you so much everyone for your time. Have a good rest of the day and stay safe.
Thank you, Ikra and Fiza. I just also want to make a point over here that being Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements, we are also, working on creating a high potential league out of UMT. And we have, a couple of students, in fact, a batch of like 6 to 12 students who really look up to Nestle as their dream employer. And we are working on their professional grooming and to convert them into a 360-degree marketable graduate who can join Nestle as their passionate productivity partner. So apart from this MTA programs, we would also also like to introduce that batch to you because they're working very closely with us, and we are observing them, and they are being attached to specific mentors from the industry who are mentoring them. And we would also like to bring both of you as mentors on our portal, whereby we will be attaching a group of students with you, keeping in view your availability, to whom you would like to polish, in terms of professional grooming and all that. And we would definitely route this information among the students because this is what we do as, Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements. So I hope that we will be connected in the future as well. And, we will also be advertising opportunities available at Nestle.
Sure. Thank you so much. You can reach out to me. You have my number with the detail you just shared. Also, we have our campus ambassador Anam. She is constantly in touch with us. She has our, she's in our WhatsApp group as well. So we are constantly in touch with them regarding the career opportunities, different programs we have at Nestle that we are launching, and we need career for that, and we need youth, the trained youth for that. So thank you so much, and I hope we can stay in touch, and then we will stay in touch. So thank you so much for arranging it. So thank you everyone for attending.
Thank you everyone.
This as well.
I hope students gain a lot of information about Nestle, and they really look up to Nestle, as their dream employer.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody.
Yeah,
thank you,
inshallah.
Anam.
Thank you.